First step. Click on your profile picture avatar located in the top right corner of the ChatGPT account screen. Then select Settings to access the account setup area. Next step. In the Settings interface, scroll down and select Security to start configuring privacy and account protection settings. Next, under the Multi-Factor Authentication section, click the Allow button to enable this feature. This is an important step to enhance a second layer of protection for your account. Next, you need to download the Google Authenticator app onto your phone. This app can be downloaded for free from the App Store iOS or Play Android. Next, open the Google Authenticator app, tap the icon, and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed by ChatGPT on your computer screen. Once successfully scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Simply enter this code into ChatGPT to confirm activation. The system will display a notification confirming that you have successfully enabled multi-factor authentication. If you want to check again, simply repeat the steps above and go to the Security section, where you will see that the security status is enabled. In addition, OpenAI will also send you a confirmation email once it has been successfully enabled.